Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Boat is a full glacier green hull. Comes with a single axle galvanized trailer with brakes. Equipped it with a Bimini top fishing package, which gives you rod storage here, removable cooler seat, compass, and a tackle drawer center on the starboard side console. Also got a very nice bow cushion, aft seats which are removable, and you do have 4 rod holders across the transom, and these will come out, but there's a very nice comfortable seat for your passengers. Reversible pilot seat here, and then if we open this hatch up under the seat, you do have a very nice size live bait well. Again, fuel tanks are built in, 25 gallons on this boat. And it is also equipped with the upgraded 115 horse Mercury 4-stroke motor. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Give us a call, 954-633-2070.